Alright, Moa's doing the pull because he's not a support person. Right? He dies, then just run out.
Alright.
Santa Maria, I'll do you in the bottom while you're drinking sangria.
Nachos, lemon heads, my dad's boat.
Fucking idiot.
Who is that?
Frank.
We sail around the world and go port to port. Every time I come, I produce a quart.
Mo's down. Need heal.
Santa Maria, I'll do you in the bottom while you're drinking sangria.
Can
you put a password on that?
No, I'm not an officer, it's a problem. They're all AFK right now.
Deadliest catch without the crabs. We're almost out of gas, called the Arabs.
Pull up the anchor cause we're leaving dry land. Get below deck with a tick in your hand.
Can you stop that?
Please mute him or something.
Was that Mexican or some shit?
It was a Mexican, like, back that ass up or some shit.
Santa Maria, I'll do you in the bottom while you're drinking sangria.
Nachos, lemon heads, my dad's boat. You won't go down cause my dick can float.
Hey kid, you're a faggot.
Yo, this
Who is it that keeps doing that?
Moral.
It's not me.
No, it's not Moral.
He just my name.
By his name. I was in an SS.
We sail around the world and go port to port. Every time I come, I produce a quart.
It's the Little Moo.
No, he changes names every like 10 seconds.
He's changed his name. He was Kill Home, then he's Moral, now he's Moral.
Dude, does that fag seriously have nothing better to do than to hack people's vents and do that shit or what?
Every time I come, I produce a quart. I produce a quart.
That's a sad little existence.
I mean, whatever, if you get your throws off of playing stupid music and girls' bugs, I guess that's cool.
That is offensive. Cannon, Dale.
That motherfucker was sitting here, I'd beat his face until he started spitting out teeth.